Hello and welcome to Backendry Coders, where we provide comprehensive guidance and tutorials for developers looking to excel in C#, .NET, MAUI, and other related technologies. Our mission is to help developers like you to master these powerful tools and build amazing applications. Whether you are a seasoned pro or you are a beginner just starting out, we've got you covered in this channel. Here, we offer detailed tutorials, best practices, and tips on how to make most of C# and .NET and other technologies. We will help you dive deeper into the core concepts, explore new features, and demonstrate how to build real-world applications. Our experienced team of developers is dedicated to sharing their expertise and knowledge with you so you can take your skills to the next level. We'll cover everything from basics to advanced topics, and we'll always provide you with clear and concise explanations so that you can expand even the most complex concepts. So if you're looking to become a better C# developer, be sure to subscribe to Bucket Decoders and join our community of developers today. Let's start coding.